Hi, I'm Dr. Ken Schoonover at Kansas Plastic Surgery, and I've been talking with you recently about Evolve Trim. Now, Evolve Trim is a non-invasive way to get rid of unwanted fat. And so I wanted you to see today what an Evolve Trim treatment might look like. Now, these treatments last only 15 minutes, so this is an easy thing you could do over your lunch hour. You go right back to normal activity with no downtime. Now, treatments are recommended once every week for about 4 to 6 weeks. So it really is a very straightforward way to see improvement with unwanted fat. Now, you're going to continue to see improvement after the last treatment's done. So people are going to continue to see this improve for weeks afterwards. But most of the work is done really in just a very short period of time. So when we do an Evolve treatment, a couple of things are happening. You're hearing some noise that the machine makes. It has a little bit of suction that suctions the skin and fat up into the handpiece, and then it delivers radio frequency energy, which is going to destroy some of those fat cells. Now, the other things that we see is we see that there's lights on the machine that are changing. We're monitoring the temperature of each handpiece independently. That just makes sure we're doing two things. One, we're going to give you an adequate treatment and get the best reduction of fat that we can get. And secondly, we're going to make sure we can do it safely. So if there's any problem with the temperatures we reach, we're going to know that right away and be able to treat it. Now, I wanted to ask Jackie today what she's feeling today, because this is, some people are nervous about things like this, and they're nervous about what it's going to feel like to have a treatment. So Jackie, what do you feel going on right now?
I don't feel any pain whatsoever. It's just a small little suction kind of feeling, but it's mainly just vibrating is what I feel. And then there's a little bit of heat, but it's totally comfortable.
Good. And that's really a normal type of experience for people. I've had this done myself. It is extremely tolerable. It's very easy. It's just really something that I think we can truly see a substantial difference in the fat content in any area that we treat. We can treat with up to 6 hand pieces at the same time. So sometimes we can treat multiple areas if we want to, but this can really be used almost anywhere that you have unwanted fat. So if you have questions about Evolve Trim, if you're interested in knowing more about this, DM us here and let us know if you have questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions that way. Call the office, come in for a free consultation, but I look forward to talking to you more about the Evolve technology.